Hey, what's up guys? We're here on another adventure at Kennedy Space Center in Cape Canaveral, Florida. And we were supposed to be here to see the launch. The Crew-3 launch is supposed to happen like yesterday. They delayed it till today. Now it's delayed till next week. So we have to fly back. So we're gonna miss that, but we're gonna make the best.
At least we can see the Space Center.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
we're gonna see the tour of the Space Center here and hopefully get a view of the rocket from afar.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens. So we're gonna go check it out. We'll see you inside. Here with the Space Shuttle Atlantis. Look at this, with the bay doors open, and it's just sitting here with the Canada arm extended. I've never seen one with the doors open. I've seen the Discovery in Washington, D.C., but this is a real special treat to see the Atlantis now. My second space shuttle I've seen, besides the Enterprise, which was used for training. But look at this thing. Doors open. It's really cool. The way they do the presentation too, you gotta come see it. Looks like we need to come back in July. Was it July 21st?
2061.
July 21st, 2061. That's when we need to come back and see what's in there. Or bring your screwdriver, I guess, next time. All right, what an awesome view of the Space Shuttle Atlantis. Last time I saw this, I just realized, was when the Atlantis was on the launch pad, on its last launch. I was here for that. I didn't see it launch, unfortunately, but I saw it on the launch pad. And now here it is, hanging from the ceiling.
Check out that cool painting right there.
Look at this. All right, we're gonna get some lunch, and then we're gonna take a bus to another part of Kennedy Space Center and see some more cool stuff.
Designed to sit atop the Orion crew module, is built to quickly propel astronauts away from the rocket in case of an emergency.
cool to actually see the launch control room from the Apollo days. And now, right behind us is an actual Saturn V rocket. You'd like to climb in that thing and fire it up and go back to the moon. I know it's kind of hard to see, but that right about there-ish is the SpaceX rocket for the Crew-3 that we were supposed to be here to watch, to launch tonight. Since it got delayed, it's going to be launching next week. That's it right there. The only thing keeping me away from it is this song.
And miles of water.
To see it is cool, but I'd be lying if I said I wasn't bummed. Wish we were here a few more days, but it's okay. At least we got to come and see it. I mean, I've never seen one in person, even though it is like 3 miles away. But anyways, we'll get back in here and go on the tour, and then we're gonna go to the gift shop. Yeah, and we'll conclude our trip to the Kennedy Space Center.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? The next presentation in the Lunar Theater will begin in 3 minutes. If you would like to join us, please proceed to the nose end of the Saturn V rocket. Thank you.
All right, that's gonna do it here for Kennedy Space Center. Man, so much fun. But we have one more stop, which is gonna be the gift shop. Can't leave without buying some stuff.
What, the biggest space shop in the world or something?
That's what they say. I'm gonna have a lot of fun.
Oh, no.
We'll see you in the next adventure. Bye. We're at the beach.
Found some seashells.
And we're really close to the SpaceX Rocket now. Much closer than we were yesterday, even at Kennedy Space Center. And I've been getting some pictures. And now we're hiking down the beach as far as we can, trying to get really close to the rocket. As close as we can legally. But it's a nice day here. Nice day for a walk on the beach. All right, well, we made it to as far as we can go on the beach here before we reach the restricted zone. Not sure if you can read that or not. That's a restricted area by NASA. because just over my shoulder is the SpaceX Rocket. The guard towers, motion sensors right there. Not allowed. So, did the best I could right here. But I think this is the closest we've gotten the whole trip. All right, well, we're gonna make a walk back to the car, and that's gonna conclude this trip to Florida. It was a lot of fun.
Definitely.
Yeah, had a great time.
Perfect weather.
Only thing missing was the launch, but that's
Yeah.
okay. I can see the rocket right here in front of me, so
That's still
that's pretty
neat.
cool. All right, we'll see you on the next adventure, guys. Bye.
Bye.